Yep, this is the cup holder that I'm going to have replaced. As you can see, it doesn't function like it should. Press this button, it should pop up. It does not. So the spring is broken inside there. You got to press it in, and let's see if I can do it with one hand. You got to press it, then you got to grab the sides and pull it up. Then get any higher, you got to press it again, and it'll come higher. Seeing how there's no stop inside there, apparently it's broken in there too. It just comes right out. So in order to get that replaced, I got to take this whole thing out and replace it with a new one. In order to get to the bolts to this thing, I got to take this off, and I got to get inside here and take some of these off to get to the bolt in here. All right, let's get to it and see if I get this accomplished. Well, that took a little bit of time to get that off. That little clamp right there slides into that, and these little things here slides down into there. It took a little bit of time to get that off in there, but I got it. And that's that screw right there you're gonna have to get out. Now I gotta get into this, so I get to these screws. All right, got the old piece out. What I did was pry this over. It's hard to do it while trying to film it. So what I did, I stuck the screwdriver down through there and just pried this over while I unscrewed it. And you see the screw hole right there. Okay, we'll see if I get the new one back in same way. All right, here's the new one. It's good. There we go. New one's sitting in place. All I'm going to do is screw it down. Might as well do the easy one first. Easy peasy. And this back one here is going to be a little hard to do on camera, trying to hold the camera. Or you could just let it sit like that. No, I better screw it down. That will move. Well, I'm going to try to do like I did before. Pry this over and see if I get those screws in. Okay, got me a little cloth right here to help protect the new piece. Okay, I got this other side in. I had to put this lid over the other side in order to do it. Now I gotta go back over here and tighten this one down some more. All right, there you go. There you go, all put back together. That's how it works. Press it again and get it extended further. Back down one, press it again to go push it all the way back down. Works perfectly. So the way I did it, I just pried this piece over this way, so I get the screwdriver down in there and get those screws out, and went in reversed order to put the new one back in. So that worked out pretty good. No, I've seen some people drill a hole here and here, but the way I did it, there's no hole, and I didn't have to try to take this off, because I tried and it will not, this piece here that goes around will not come off. I'm afraid I'd break it. So I just pried this over here and get the screwdriver inside there. That worked out pretty good. So that's how I got my cup holders installed. So thanks for stopping by and seeing how I replace my cup holders. And I hope this helps somebody out that has to do this in the future. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh yeah, one more thing. Here's some finishing touches for the cup holder. There you go. Now it's ready to be used.